The way I do, I like to squeeze a little bit of lime on it. Saltiness, sweetness, sourness. Oh, that's perfect. And mix a little bit of peanuts because I love it. Pad Thai, you have to have this. You can do it at home, believe me, and you're gonna love it before I go. สวัสดีค่ะ Welcome to Gail's Little Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to do Pad Thai. As you know, Pad Thai is one of the most popular dishes in Thailand. You can buy Pad Thai any street corner in Thailand. So it's really, really popular. And it's one of my favorite dish as well. So I'm gonna start with the ingredients. Pad Thai we need rice noodle or rice stick. They come in a pack like that. But for the rice noodle, you need to soak in cold water for an hour or more to become soft like that, and like white like this. That is ready to stir fry. You can't stir fry with the from the pack because it's too hard. And that's noodles, and we have sweet radish. Sweet radish you can buy from Asian supermarket, but if you can't buy it, you want to skip it, it's fine. You don't need to have it, but it's just more flavor. Today I'm doing the Pad Thai with prawns. I'm cooking for 2 people, so that's why I have 2 eggs here, chopped garlic, and crushed peanuts. I just put peanuts in the blender, crush it, and or you can put in the pestle and mortar, or you can put in the bag and smash it with the rolling pin. We need oil here, and this is called Asian garlic chive. You have to have it in Pad Thai. If you can't find this because they don't have in a normal local supermarket, you have to go in like Asian supermarket. If you can't find it, you can substitute with spring onion. I do that a lot when I fancy to have Pad Thai, but I can't find chive leaf, so I just go with the spring onion. And we need shallots here and a tofu. Tofu in this day you can find in normal supermarket. And we need plum sugar, tamarind sauce. The tamarind sauce here they have in the pack, but when you have in the pack, when you do, you have to soak in the water and squeeze all the juice out. But nowadays you can find in the pot like this. It's like a concentrate, like ready to use, so you don't have to mess about. This one you can find in Amazon as well. And we need fish sauce here, tomato sauce. We got all the ingredients here. For the recipe and the quantity, you can get from the free PDF in the link in the description. Okay, and now we need to chop the chive leaves and tofu and the shallot. Okay, here. And then shallot. Okay. And now tofu, cut like small dice. Okay, just like that. For the Pad Thai sauce, we have chopped shallots, plum sugar, fish sauce, tomato sauce, and tamarind sauce. So I'm going to start with the Pad Thai sauce. Before I start with Pad Thai sauce, I'm going to have to fry prawns and fry shallots. So I'm going to get 2 pans, one for prawns and one for shallot.
I have
2 pans.
One for each of you.
So I just turn like a medium heat oil in here. I'm gonna fry prawn in there, and then this for shallot. For fried shallot, just about like 2-3 spoons of oil. The shallot in here. Just fry them. I fry the prawn separate because if you cook in with noodle, sometimes when you cook too long, the prawns get chunk and small. So I just fry them to cook them separate. They're easy to cook anyway for prawn. Okay, I think the shallot nearly done as well. Okay, let's start to. I think that's done okay. A low heat here a bit. Okay, we put prawn side. Check on the fried shallot. Think nearly done. Fry them until like a little bit of golden brown. Because we don't put the fried shallot in the pad thai sauce. Okay, I think done. And now we're gonna do pad thai sauce. Turn like a medium heat. Use the same pan is fine, and put palm sugar in. I'm gonna add a little bit of water because the palm sugar is a little bit still hot, so just get the water in a little bit to help stir them. Let it melt into liquid. This sauce is gonna be more than 2 serving. When I do pad thai sauce, I like to do a little bit more sauce, and then after finish cooking, put them in a container and keep it in the fridge so you can use next time. Because if not, you have to do your sauce every time you cook. So for me, I like cook pad thai, and I just like make a little bit more sauce and then I save it in the fridge. Okay, the palm sugar start to melt. Use like a low medium heat because if it's high heat, the sugar will burn. Okay. Gonna add a little bit more water. Like a 1 or 2 tablespoons is fine to help. Okay. And you can see the palm sugar started to melting. Okay, now gonna add the tamarind sauce in. Mix it together. Keep stirring. The sauce has to become a little bit thicker, but not too thick, because if too light, when you cook with rice noodle, sometimes it make the rice noodles too soft. Because the rice noodle is depend on the brand. Some brand is more like really sticky, so when you have like light sauce, that should be okay. But if some brand is like really not sticky noodles, when you put too much salt into it and they just break into small pieces, too soft. Okay, they start to get thick a little bit now. I'm gonna put the fish sauce. And then tomato sauce. When I cook with my mom like to put a little bit of chili flakes in to get a little bit spicy. But for me, I want to show you just like a plain pad thai sauce, because if you cook for children, it won't be too spicy for them. You can use tomato sauce. Some people they use sriracha sauce, a little bit spicy, whatever that you want to add on it. But for me, I'll just put the palm sugar, tomato sauce, tamarind sauce, and fish sauce. Only 4 things. Okay, the sauce is start to get thicker. I think they start to get too thick now. I'm gonna add a little bit of water, just few drops. Not too much water. So now I'm gonna add fried shallot now. Okay, my sauce is a bit thick now. I'll add a little bit more water. Okay, that better. Okay, that better. I just want like that. Because this rice noodle, this brand that I got, they're not the same like when we use in Thailand. In Thailand, they call sen jan. When you do pad thai, it just put on. It's really nice, kind of like a little bit sticky. It's lovely because pad thai, you don't want the noodle to be really soft. Okay, this is done. I'm gonna turn the top on. Gonna put the sauce in here in the bowl. This is how I want it. Not too watering, not too thick. This is gonna be good when I stir fry. I don't use it all, so I can save this to do pad thai again next time. Okay, now it's time to stir fry pad thai. I'm gonna go with medium heat. When the pan starts to get hot, put oil. 1, 2, 3, and then chop garlic. If you don't like too much garlic, you can have just only 1 clove or 2 cloves. Yeah, this one is 3 small cloves to me. So when you put garlic in, I'm gonna put the sweet radish. And then tofu. Have to be really gentle with tofu because they're really soft. You don't want to, like break them up. Stir it together, maybe about like 2-3 minutes. And then now you're gonna add noodles. Add pad thai sauce. So I'm gonna use 1, 2, 3. I like a lot of sauce, so I put 3 big spoons. Turn a little bit like medium high, the heat on medium high. Just stir the noodles, and you can feel the noodles start to get soft now. And I'll add a little bit of crushed peanuts in. I like that. When you make pad thai sauce, you don't need to add anything else. You don't need to more sugar, more or any fish sauce, no need, because the sauce is already perfect. So you don't need to put anything else. And now gonna put the noodle to the side of the pan. If you use non-stick pan, you don't need to get any more oil. You put the egg in and scramble a little bit, like break it like that. And then put the noodle on top of the egg. Leave it about like 20 seconds to let the eggs cook. Oh, very good. Okay. And now I will add prawn in. Okay. Bean sprout. Don't be shy with bean sprout. Put more in pad thai. Chive. Put all. Gonna stir just only about like 2-3 minutes. Not too long because you don't want bean sprout and chives too soft. When eat pad thai, they have to be a little crunchy, and that is gonna taste so good. Okay, lower the heat a little bit. Okay, I think this is done. The plate. Oops, my cat. Okay, this is for 2 serving, but I'm gonna put in one plate to show you. See, if you use like big king prawns, that it will look beautiful. But this prawn is just bought from the normal supermarket. That's fine. And as you see, this sauce I can use another couple times. So let it cool down and then put in a container and keep in the fridge. You can keep for about a month. So we put we just put lime here. And the chives. It's a bit too full because I just put to show you, just put in one plate, and then I put the crushed peanuts here. And usually we put the chili flake there, but if you don't like spicy, you don't have to have it. Okay, Here you go. This is my pad thai, and it's a lot of preparation, but when you do a couple times, it won't take that long, because when you get ready for the pad thai sauce and the stir fry, just only 5 minutes actually. And this is pad thai that I'm gonna taste now. The way I do, I like to squeeze a little bit of lime on it, saltiness, sweetness, sourness. Oh, that's perfect. And mix a little bit of peanuts because I love it. Pad Thai, you have to have this. You can do it at home, believe me, and you're gonna love it before you go. Lovely. Thank you for watching. I'll see you for the next one. Bye bye.